Reconstructing the harp now, and so we don't do anything to the wood really at this point, but we know that these little cover stanchions, these little things have to go on both sides, here and here, and they will hold the covers up. Kind of amazing how many little details there are to this game, wouldn't you agree? So I'm putting this one in like this. You might want to be careful how you position them. I don't like the way that one fits, so I'll put it in another hole here and another hole here. Everybody has to be seated. So okay. Now covers go like this. And like this, you see? In the correct spot. And here, these two screws and these square little things. So we just kind of take this and bring this here, like this. Bring it through the other side. Like this. And like this. Alright. I bring the screws in just a hair because I'm going to need to arrange to bring those covers down. You have to be kind of careful when you put them in that you actually clear the mouthpiece. That's not always so easy to do. So I put the screw down here, get it started. Oop. Okay. And I push the covers down with my fingers so that they will clear the top of the comb and the reed plates. And I come in with a slight tighten. These early harmonicas may have a fairly rudimentary layout, but they do work. Now, slide oil. Okay, I'm going to end this video and make another one.